Hey everybody, Colin here. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Kucoin Cryptocurrency Exchange. Once again, all you got to do is go ahead and first register for a free account. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up for Kucoin. And once again, this is just a place where you can exchange, just like it says, exchange one cryptocurrency or coin for another, okay? Based on what they have available at this exchange. So go ahead and create your free account. The link is in the body of this description. And once you've created your free account and you log in, you're going to see something like this. It'll normally take you to your overview and show you your balances, okay? But if this is your first time logging in, you're going to see zero for all of this stuff, obviously, right? So at this point in time, you can see my current balances. It'll normally sort it based on what you have the most of. So as you see right here, I have about almost 400,000 Telcoin, over 100,000 Car Vertical, and about almost 5 Kucoin shares, okay? But you're going to see zero if this is your first time logging in. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to transfer money, well, I would say cryptocurrency, over to your Kucoin account so that you can then start exchanging for other tokens or coins. Now, what I would recommend you sending is Ethereum, simply because it doesn't cost much to send it and it comes over much faster than, say, Bitcoin, right? So I would say you can use Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash. Those come over very quickly, very low fees to send. So in this case, I want to deposit Ethereum. So what I would do is type in ETH, and as you can see here, you look for the proper one, which you see there are some different ones. You're looking for Etherium, okay? Not Ethereum Classic, not Ethereum Fog, Etherium. Very important whenever you're transferring coins or cryptocurrencies, you have to send it to the same wallet as that type of coin. So you can only send Ethereum from one Ethereum wallet to another Ethereum wallet. If you accidentally withdraw your Ethereum and try to send it somewhere and you type in a different wallet address, like a Bitcoin wallet address or something, you're going to lose that money. It's gone, okay? Because there are no third parties. You're handling your money, so no third parties can interfere with it. But on the same side, if you type in the wrong address, that money is gone. So you just want to make sure you're using the correct account. So Ethereum, I'm going to move over here to deposit. It's going to show me, it's going to ask you again, please pay attention. You have selected Ethereum. Okay, so it even gives you another, kind of warning, like make sure you're doing this properly. So I click confirm. Here is the wallet address that I have, and here is the QR code. So I can actually, if I'm sending it from my smartphone, I can actually just scan it from my phone, scan it with my phone, sorry, and that'll automatically put the address in, and I can just choose how much Ethereum I want to send, and I send it. If I'm not using a QR code, then I have to copy this, okay? So I have to copy that Ethereum address. Then I'll go back to the other exchange or wallet that I have, and I will paste that there, okay? So I'm withdrawing from the other account. It's going to ask me what address do you want to send the Ethereum to. I paste this one, I choose how much I want to send, and I send it. It normally takes a few minutes, and then it'll come over, okay? So once it comes over, you'll get a notification, and if you can just refresh your overview, then you'll see, okay, you'll see your Ethereum balance pop up here. Now, once you have your Ethereum in here, now you want to go in exchange. So just scroll up here and you want to go to markets. Okay, in markets, as you can see here, for a base trading currency, you can trade with Bitcoin. So if you clicked on BTC, you can see all of the available coins that there are. You can trade Ethereum as a base currency. You can trade NEO, USDT, or Kucoin shares, KCS, okay? So over here, I'm obviously in Ethereum. If I'm looking for a particular coin and I know what the ticker is, the symbol, or the letters that represent that coin, I can just type it in here. So if I want to trade Ethereum for, let's say, Telcoin, I'll type in TEL. Okay, and there you see it. It's right there. So I will click on that. Now, I currently have two-factor authentication enabled, so it asks me to enter the information down here again. So I'll go ahead and do that. So two-factor authentication is just another level of security, okay? And it's optional. I advise you to do so. So here we are. So what is this saying to me? This basically shows me a chart right now to show me how the coin has been performing. And obviously it was already at a high up here of about, what, you know, that's 519. And now it's down to 280. Okay, so it's a fantastic time to buy. See, if I zoom out even more, as you can see, it was all the way up here at 1100. Okay, so this is a fantastic time to buy. It's about, you know, at least 75 to 80% down. Great time to buy. So I'm gonna look over here, and what do I want to do? Do I want to buy TEL or do I want to sell TEL? Now, right now I have an open order, so you won't see any available TEL really for me to sell because I already have placed an order. But just so you see right here, you can see over here, these are the orders. So the red represents all of the sell prices. As you can see, the lowest or the cheapest sell price right now is at 28. So 0.000028. And there are orders right now for over 34 million TEL of that. And down here are the buy orders, right? So you can see here there's over 32 million buy orders at 27. Okay, but you don't have to watch that anymore for right here. I'm just keeping it simple for you. So you simply say, okay, how much Ethereum, how much TEL coin do I want to buy? You might say, hey, I want to buy specifically 1,000 TEL. And it'll say, well, this is the best price right now. If you want to buy it right now, you can get it at that price, right? But if you want to order it at a specific price and say, you know what, I only want to buy TEL if it goes to 25. So I'll just go right here and I'll change it and I'll say 25. Okay, and I'll say, you know, use the maximum amount of Ethereum that I have. So you just click on max TEL. Okay, so it will give you the maximum amount of TEL coin that you can actually buy at that price. Once you click that, then you'll sorry, let me just scroll down here. Then you click on the buy button down here and it will place that order for you. If you're not buying it at an order that is available, so for example 28, if I want to buy it for any lower than that, it's going to be an order because nobody yet has agreed to sell it to me at that price. But if I'm willing to buy it at a price that somebody is already willing to sell it for, it will execute that order right away and give me my TEL coins. Otherwise, if I want to buy it at a cheaper price, I place an order. That's a buy order, okay? And it's the same thing for the opposite. It's a sell order. So I've placed a sell order to sell TEL coin up at about, as it makes a run, I'm going to, you know, I think right now I have it at about 400 for a sell order, right? So if it goes to that price, pretty much I will almost double my investment right there by it making that very short run of, I don't know, that's somewhere around, what's that, 70-80%, something like that, if it ran right now. So that is how you place a buy and a sell order in Kucoin. Okay, so that's it. When you place your order, it's going to pop up right here. Okay, this is trade history, this is open orders, it'll pop up right here. So if I want to cancel it, I can cancel it right from this section right here. So over here is where you sell, over here is where you buy, You can press the sell button when you're ready. Press the buy order when you're ready. If you want to use the maximum amount of your coins possible, you just move this slider or click maximum. Same thing over here, move the slider or click maximum. Change your price right here. And that's it. You're buying and selling. And obviously when you're done with that, if you want to transfer your coins somewhere else, you go back to right here where it says assets. Assets will take you to this overview section with your coins. And so if I want to send my coins somewhere else to another exchange or to a wallet, then I can go to withdrawal and I just follow the instructions. It'll ask me for the address, it'll ask me for how much I want to send, it'll ask me to verify my security questions, etc. and I'll confirm that. Okay, so in a nutshell, that is the basics of how to use KuCoin.